Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another Jaclyn Hill and collab with Morphe Vault collection video. This is the second one. I will link the first one I did right here, which was Bling Boss. Now we're going to be doing Ring the Alarm. And this is what that palette looks like. This was one of the palettes where I really wasn't that excited about the color scheme because I have so many of these colors already in my collection, but I do like the way the eye look came out. It's like pinky gold. It's really, really pretty, very simple. So anyone can do this look. And yeah, the shimmers in this palette, the ones that I used, didn't like wow me as far as their pigmentation, but I'm quite sure had I used them wet, they would have amplified them a lot. But just going in dry, they're not that great. Not that they're not that great, they're not what I thought they would be. I do like these shimmers in the big Jaclyn Hill and Cloud with Morphe palette better. So anyway, I'm gonna go. And I do like this shade Mugshot and Alert. The two Mugshot and Alert. I do like those shades. Those are the shades that I will really be dipping back into this palette for. The shimmers that I use, not so much. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did this look. I am loving my foundation today. It's a new foundation combination that I've been doing, which is my Marc Jacobs Shameless foundation and my Fenty, because my Fenty foundation shade that I own isn't my shade. It's too red, but when I mix it I get that really matte look for coverage but without so much of the red undertone. So I've been loving that. Really quickly, I'm gonna jump into swatches, Mugshot, and the purple one next to it, which is called Framed. On my skin tones, especially with my tattoos, you're not gonna be able to see it. So you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching.
That sound like something you'd be into. I believe the truth can be reality. Will you roll with that? 'Cause I want you to. I'm stuck in trying to find a way to make it